Today I am going to show you how to run meta ads step by step to collect WhatsApp leads. And we will use AI tools like ChatGPT to help us. Okay? First of all, we are in our Chrome. Then here we will search Meta Ads Manager. We will go in the first link. Okay? Then go to Ad Manager. Here, go to Ad Manager, the main dashboard. So, we will select our Ad Manager from here. This is our Ad Manager for the client. Then we will create a new ad campaign. We will find this button create. We will click on it. Then we will collect leads. So we will select this leads button. Then continue. This is a salon. So I am giving it name salon and mentioning the date for future use. Okay, and the daily budget is 200. We are setting campaign budget. Daily budget is 200 for lead collection. Then next, we can give a name, but we can avoid, no problem. Then we will select the conversion location. Here we will select WhatsApp. Then select the exact page. I will search here the business name. Yes. Okay. And it's showing that the WhatsApp number is different or something. Let me check it once. Yes, this is the correct number. And then we will go to the next section, the duration, how long this ad will run. As the client requirement is they want to run this ad for 5 days. So the 5 days is 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will select the end date. And here we are mentioning the ending time 21. Okay, it will end the campaign will end at this date, this time. Within this time our campaign budget will spend. After this we will go to the next section, the target location. As our client said, the main target location for this ad campaign, I am just searching the name of the location. Okay, this is the first location. Then this is the second location. Then I'm setting Bardhaman as a location, and okay, this is our location. I don't want to reach more people, so I remove the checkbox. So after the location selection, we will go to this portion. Here is the button show more controls. Then we will click on show suggestions. Then edit. Then we will select 20 to 45. All gender, we will keep all gender because they are hiring both male and female. Okay, so we are keeping this as it is. Then detail targeting, we will click on the pencil button. Then uh, search like hairdresser here, and also if we want, we can get some suggestion from ChatGPT. Chat. So here we can say that. Uh, Let me attach the file first. Here I will say this is our ad copy. Based on this ad copy, write meta ads, detailed targeting suggestion suggestions. Okay. Detailed targeting suggestions. Yes, these are the suggestions it giving us. Let me check it here. Treasure. I think we already. Okay, it's not available like as it is. Here, study we also keep this salon professional beauty. We can check this one. Not available. I can s- get suggestion from this, but always not every option ChatGPT suggests are available here. Dog grooming, horse, no man's grooming product, not properly. We target this cosmetology training. Let me check this one. Not available. Okay, not a problem. Then beautician targeting beautician. Let me check it. This is this available? Uh, Media not available. Beauty salon. Let me check this. Beauty salons available. Then beauty parlor cosmetology. Let me check this one. Cosmetology. Yes, cosmet cosmology. These are different. Uh, Here color. Okay, not available. Makeup artist. Makeup. Skincare. We can check. Makeup. Is this available? Makeup. Employers. Makeup relations. Not available. Okay, let me check other things like beauty industry products. Beauty interested. We can get some suggestion from ChatGPT, but always not all the suggestions available in Meta Ads. Salon manager, owner. No, not available. Uh, Let me check all the detail targeting first. What? Hair cutting, hair designer, hairdresser, salon, hair makeup. Here we target the art, the 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 another one. Make salon, cosmetology, beautician. We need to target beautician properly. Mm, beautician, beauty parlor. Let me check this one. Not available. Beauty related. What are available? Beauty, beauty pigment, beauty shop, beauty brand, advisor, therapist, therapy, hair, salon owner, and beauty therapist. Not. These are not our target. Okay, not a waxing, beauty trainer, fresher, cosmetology course, makeup academy. Let me check this one. Is this available? Academy based makeup and hair award for best makeup and hairstyling. We can keep this. People who are interested in our niche, maybe interested in our then exclude targeting include if available state. We can no, that's not will work. Okay, these are our targeting. Okay, let me one again overview it, check it. Okay, then next. Here we will come here, then say act as you are a meta ads manager, meta ads manager, and you have, let's say, 10 years of experience in meta ads. Now you are planning to run these meta ads to uh, collect leads for hiring. Okay, now write 5 primary texts, 5 headlines, and 5 description for this ad. Okay, then enter. Then it will give us the necessary. Yes, it started. Okay, so we will give all this primary text headline description. Before the primary text and headline, we need to set up the creative. For this, we will come here and scroll down, and select setup creative. Under add creative, we will find, then this is a image ad, so we will click on image ad. Then we will add this, and here the image is not available. For that we need to upload the image. So here is the button upload. We will click on this and it will redirect us to the our file manager. Then open, select the, I have select the image, then open it. Then the image will come here. Then next, then we will give one by one the primary text and headline descriptions. So we put 3 primary text. We can add up to 5 primary text, 5 headline, 5 description. But I have attached 3 primary text, 4 headlines and 3 descriptions. Okay, best will be 5 headline, 5 description, and 5 primary text. This is the best practice. Then next we can generate image using Meta AI here, but we don't need this now. Then the ad is set. So before the publish, we will go through from first to the last, because sometimes Meta automatically change the settings. Okay, so here we just need to check this budget. Then next, here we will check the starting date and ending date, and then targeting, then all language here we have selected. Then show, here is our detail targeting. Then next, here is the our creative. Here few image the Meta AI have already created for us. We can check this. If everything good feels good, then we can publish as a creative. Okay, here is our primary text, headline, description. Then the check is final. Then we will publish this. Publish. Here is the publish button. When we press the publish button, it will show publishing 3 of 3, because we have 3 level: Meta ad campaign level, ad set level, then ads. Then the it is successfully published. So it's showing here. If anything or any issue or any error comes, it appear here, and when we click view details, the problem will show us what is the problem and how can we fix it. Okay, so after publishing, we also need to check or verify once again, because sometimes the settings changed. So everything is okay here. Okay, everything is okay. Then here the second level, we will check the start date and end date. Okay, everything is okay. Then we will check here 200. Everything is fine. So that's way we can create a Meta ads campaign using ChatGPT or AI like ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta AI to generate primary text, headline, descriptions, and also gain some idea about whom to target. And also the image in this ad campaign, I have created this ad copy from ChatGPT. So we can also get help use to create the creative poster using ChatGPT. So in future, I will show you how to create creative using AI. So for that things, and to learn more about digital marketing and AIs, subscribe our channels.